In this video, you are going to see how to convert image to Word document in Microsoft Word. Here I have a screenshot image. I want to convert it in Word document. Let us open a Microsoft Word document. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device, select the desktop and let me insert the picture. Now we are going to save this Word document as PDF. Go to File, go to Save As, go to Browse. Let us select the desktop and save it as a PDF. Click on Save. Here I have saved it as a PDF file. Now let me remove this image. Now go to File, go to Open, go to Browse and let me select this PDF file from my desktop. Click on Open. Here a pop-up will be appeared. Let me click on OK and you will see the magic. I have converted the screenshot into a editable text. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.